Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as a makeup artist, it is super important to continue to learn and grow in your craft. Some of the things that I like to do is look for new products or underrated brands out there. So one of the things that I like to do is look through Instagram to find these awesome things. So as I was scrolling, I came across a beautiful, affordable PR box option that was only $38. So naturally, I clicked add to cart. Today we'll be reviewing the new Wild Behavior collection from Bebella Cosmetics. So let's break it down together and see if this wild purchase was worth it. So why Bebella? So I've purchased beauty creation products before, and I noticed that they had some sister brands. After looking through all the sister brands, the one that really caught my eye was Bebella Cosmetics. I really liked their color story and their aesthetics, and their affordability won me over. The best part is that I could try the entire collection through a PR box. So the whole PR box experience makes you feel special, and it allows you to see what you like from that brand in regards to eyes, lips, and face without breaking the bank. We'll be breaking down this video into 3 easy categories: packaging, performance, and cost. So let's dive in. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and start with packaging because this PR box deserves its own moment. So I really enjoy the lettering of the box. Let's start with the Wild Behavior collection. Naturally, Wild Behavior needed to be cheetah print, so I really enjoyed that. I also enjoy the extra that they gave you. The collection part and the foliage are rose gold inspired tones that are embossed. So if you feel over the lettering, there is like that pop-up effect, so I appreciate the detail. I also enjoy the variation of color and texture in the box. We have wild but delicate, and we can see that through the colors that they chose. So we have some light variations of pinks, maybe mauves, a little bit of green, and some lighter tones. So we have the bold foliage on the sides of the collection, and we also have like a wallpaper effect on the back. So we have different variations of different foliage, so different leaves, but they're all kind of that baby pink in the back, so it's keeping it very classic, very aesthetically pleasing. So I really enjoyed the box. If we flip it to the back, we have a big Bebella foiled logo, and we also have their information. So what I like about the box is that it is really nice quality. There is weight to it, and if you open it, there are the magnets on the edges, so it's very similar to a eyeshadow palette, but it is beautiful and it just makes you feel so special. Next up, we have performance, and it wouldn't be a wild collection without some wild names. So I'm gonna go ahead and do from eyes all the way to lips, the way that I usually do my makeup. So first up, we have the Wild Behavior palette. I love the palette, the color story, the pigmentation. This is actually what I'm wearing on my face today. So I really enjoyed that they gave me a little bit of everything. You can either create daily looks, soft looks, or you can do some dramatic glam. So I really enjoyed this. This is very on theme with the wild earthy tones, but with some variations of finishes. So I enjoyed that they gave me mattes, they gave me shimmers, a little bit of glitters, and maybe some duochromes. So this definitely a yes. Next up, we have the eyeliner set, and this one is called Wild Attraction because eyes are everything. So I really enjoy that they gave me some basics, but with a twist. So we have the traditional black, which I used on my liner. We have the waterline pencil that I used today. It's kind of like a cream, not too pink, not too white, which I enjoy. And they also gave me a brown. So this one is actually not just a brown, but it has gold copper sparkles, so it gives you some pizzazz. So the black one is called Hypnotize. The brown one is called Get Lost eyeliner, and the cream one is called Blank Slate. So these creamy, easy to sharpen, and super buttery. Next up we have the blush duos, and I really enjoy the fact that I get two variations of blushes. I am a blush type of gal. If you don't know that by now, hi, welcome. I'm probably addicted. So I love the name of this. This is called On the Prowl. So you're looking juicy, you're looking alive, and you're looking youthful. So in this, we have a nice delicate pink, and we also have a little bit of a coral shade. I actually mixed these two to create this look today, and I am loving it. Last but not least, we have the Wild Desire lip set. I am super impressed with the packaging of the lip set. It is like an entire little baby PR box. So it has the magnets, you open it, and bam, there you go. So I have a lip liner and a gloss. So the lip liner is called Don't Tempt Me, and the gloss is called It's a Habit. Super cute. So I've never actually tried their pencils, and I gotta say, I really enjoy how easy and creamy this was to work with, to sharpen, and to build. Super pigmented, love it. Their lip gloss is also super pigmented. I actually just use it in the center of the lips. This is strong. So this one, I would describe it as a super sweet scent, maybe like a caramel scent. I've been wearing this makeup and I lightly smell it, like faint. When I first applied it, I was like, oh my gosh, I don't know. But after wearing it, I feel like it kind of like fades to where it doesn't bother me, and I'm super sensitive to fragrance. Other than that, I love the pigmentation. It's not sticky. It's kind of, to me, like a glossy or glazed lipstick because it's super pigmented, it's rich, and it's absolutely beautiful. So let's talk money, honey. All right, so PR boxes, let's talk about that. They are beautiful, they're amazing, but they're often exclusive. So I love that Bebella Cosmetics opens that possibility for the makeup lover, makeup enthusiast. So we get that ability to partake in this feeling while they provide flexible options. I was super excited about being able to purchase the box and try everything out, but let's do the math and see if there's a difference between purchasing the PR box versus purchasing all the individual items in this collection separately. All right, so let's do the single breakdown first on the screen. Let's do some math and take out our calculator. All right, so for the box, it retails for $38.98. You're gonna have 98 cents of packaging protection. Keep typing, girl. We are going to pay $10.96 of shipping. This is with USPS priority, 2 business days. And that gives us a grand total of $49.94. So you get everything plus the box. Now, let's break it down without the box. All right, so eyeshadow palette, $14. Eyeliner, $7. Blush Duo, $7. Lip Duo, $10. All of this retails for a total of $38.98. We're gonna pay 98 cents of packaging protection, $10.96 of shipping, still USPS priority 2 business days, which gives us a grand total of $49.94. I am shocked. I honestly thought there was gonna be a difference. I feel bamboozled. So in the end, if you want to order the box or everything separately, it comes out to the same price. It really just comes down to, do you want to experience the PR box? But let's take some time to talk about the shipping, which really caught me in this order. So they have at the top of the website $75 for free shipping. Now, if you decide not to take the $75 like we did today, we are offered USPS 2-day priority mail. So in my head, I was like, 2 days? Okay, let me order. But if you look at the very top of the website, they have a note that says, because of high volume orders, the processing time will be 5 to 10 business days. Okay, pay attention. So I ordered thinking that it was going to be, 2 days, but I actually received my order within the usual 2-week time frame. So I feel like that should be definitely something that you keep in mind. So when you order a collection, you can plan accordingly with your calendar. All right, guys, so we have reached the final thoughts. And the question was this worth it? I feel like this is definitely a yes for me. I definitely enjoy the high quality products. It feels like you're applying luxury products, but it's on a budget. I love that they offer different variations to cater to all skin tones. This is definitely a hidden gem, a must try, so definitely check them out. Lastly, I love being able to continue to explore the artistry field and share with you my amazing makeup finds so that we can enjoy them together. So if you try any of these products from the collection, let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. So that wraps up the video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any future uploads. Also, make sure to follow me on all my social media platforms at MUA Carla Treviño, where I share with you makeup tips and tricks, fashion, and lifestyle, because we all want to look good on a budget. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.